Imagine a trading bot that's done over 10 million trades in the last 2.5 years with a 99.82% profitable result rate. And this bot would keep all of your funds safe in your own wallet. Sounds too good to be true? Meet EazyBot, the revolutionary bot that combines high performance, low risk, and an easy setup to supercharge your trading game. The best part, you can try it for free for 45 days with 100% profitable trades guaranteed. Get ready to unlock the power of EazyBot in this video. Okay, so this is EazyBot. EazyBot is essentially a website where you can connect your exchange to it via an API, and then it will essentially just trade and scout for you at a high frequency. One of the good things about this is they have been testing this at high frequency on many different pairs with over 10 million trades in the past 2.5 years. And the good thing about this is it's actually 99.82% profitable throughout that time period. This is something that is unheard of, and it's something that is fantastic when it comes to setting up a product like this. They're not actually going to take your profit. They are just going to charge you a subscription fee. And the good thing about this from a security standpoint is that once you've connected your exchange to this, they're not actually going to have access to your funds in terms of withdrawing it. They're just going to be able to trade those funds for you. So what you're doing is actually just paying for the trading bot, paying for the strategies, and not actually giving up your profit to any company. They also cannot withdraw via API, which is something that's massive when it comes to trading, when it comes to doing this kind of thing securely. So that means you don't have to deposit onto their platform. You simply just pay for the subscription, you set it up, and then it is pretty much hands off from there. You deploy your bots on the different strategies that you want, right? So if you wanted to trade on Bitcoin pairings or Ethereum pairings, right, you could do that, select a strategy, apply it, and then your exchange will just be trading for you using this bot. Good thing about this bot is actually you stay in the market 24/7. So if there are strategies deployed and there's a trade overnight when you're sleeping, then it's going to execute those trades for you automatically. You're also going to be using API, as we've talked about, so that means you're going to be entering those trades even quicker than you would do manually on the same strategy. API is basically just using the computer to do it a lot faster than you can do it, sending signals back and forth. This is also going to save you time if you're an experienced trader. So essentially, it's going to be entering all of those trades for you, exiting all those trades for you upon the conditions that you select or that you customize yourself. And then from that point, yeah, it's going to be automatic. You can go to the beach, let this thing trade, maybe check out on your phone or something like this, and then watch your balance grow without having to stress too much because you've already got your strategy running, you've already got everything automated, and all you've really done to pay for this is just a subscription fee. They're also boasting that the results get better over time. EazyBot is using AI. It's evolving with the market, so it's going to get smarter and smarter the more data it's got. This is why over the 2.5 years, they have actually made ridiculous amounts of money. Okay, so they've made 99.82% in terms of frequency of the trades being profitable. So we're already at a good point with this bot, and what we will say, it's only going to get better over time. When it comes to getting started with this bot, super simple. Just use the link in the description and you're going to get 45 days for free without any payment when it comes to using this bot. So you can get this set up today for free, use it for the next month and a half, and you are good to go to essentially make money and then pay for your subscription afterwards. And with this free trial period, guys, they actually guarantee a 100% profit rate. What that means is if they have not made money for you throughout this trial period, then you're not going to have to pay when that trial ends. And also in this trial period, you can set up 2 bots automatically with this system. Another thing I do just want to say really quickly here, guys, is that yeah, you're gonna need $600 in your exchange account to get this going. Yeah, I mean, if you can double that in a month or so, then you're gonna be able to pay for this very easily, and it's gonna be something that you get to use for a long time as long as it keeps making you money, which these guys, just based on the data they're giving, which based on the profit they are boasting, is something that's incredibly achievable. When it comes to pricing, obviously you're gonna get that 45 days for free, but if you are interested in a package after that, of course, use the link in the description when you sign up. But we can see it's only $100 for this starter package. You're going to be able to trade 5 bots, all right, with 1 connection to an exchange, and you're going to get support from a group. You're going to get affiliate earnings if you do convince other people to also make money with you, and you're going to get a membership app that you can download and check your results from your exchange directly in the app. If we go up to the next package here, guys, we can see you can trade with 10 bots on 2 exchanges and all of the other stuff that we've just said in the previous package, all right? The package above that is going to be $1,000 per year with 25 bots on different pairing with 5 different exchanges. That is ridiculous, and you're also going to get one-to-one support with your trading manager, with an analyst that can help you manage your funds, manage your risk successfully, and yes, just inform you on the best strategies that are working right now. So in summary here, guys, this is a trading bot with a lot of experience. It's powered by AI, okay? It's done over 10 million trades in the past 2.5 years with a 99.82% profit rate, all right? This is incredible. It uses AI to essentially trade with your funds so they cannot withdraw the funds from your exchange or anything like that. And you use our link in the description, guys. You can actually get this 100% profit rate, this 45-day trial period where you pay nothing, okay? And then you just get set up, all right? You get it going, and then you just let this thing automatically make you money. That is going to be it for this video. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. If you are interested, definitely check it out in the description. But that is going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.